All right.
Hello, hello.
Bon matin, bon matin.
How are you?
Salut.
Ça sera pas long, ça sera pas long. Est-ce que vous pouvez m'entendre?
Yeah, on est good.
Yes.
Yeah, parfait. All right. Good morning, everyone. Bon matin. Besoin de Gatorade le matin. All right. So, before doing the breakdown, let's take a look at Andrew's chart. So Andrew, wait for support for taking a buy, looking for sell if it break and close below. Yes. Yes, 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 because this zone is shit. So yes. Good morning or good evening for some people. So yeah. All right, so let's do this. Should we wait a little bit? We got what, 20 people? All right. Oh, Zane Gabriel. Okay, let's check his chart. So here, enter as price broke high, price broke support, then enter the level again, creating structure. Enter on the retest of the level. Oh, so you entered here and you re-enter there?
No, I entered at the first one and I took my profits at the and then I saw that
Okay.
it closed above level, so I entered a buy to the next, and I'm in that trade right now.
Wow, that's pretty good, man. Good catch. Yeah, I mean here, what time was that? Hold on. That's right. Oh, hold on. Was it on the, that's only 30 minute. Oh no, here. That's only 30 minute, right? That's on GG, it's right there. Yeah. Yeah, that's good, man. Yeah, we should hit 250, you know. We should hit 250 this session, so now I'm just waiting, you know. So let's do the full breakdown. So that's a really good trade, Zane. All right, so let's start with the monthly. Donc, on va commencer avec le chart du mois. So if we take a look at the monthly, good morning. It's my first time here. Oh, welcome, Cedric. Welcome. So, guys, if it's your first time, don't freak out. I'm going to be flipping from French to English. You will not miss anything. I will translate pretty much everything. Donc, si c'est votre première fois, bienvenue à tous. Capotez pas, je vais passer souvent en français-anglais, mais vous allez rien manquer. Sasha, did you copy my chart again? Almost. So looking at monthly, I can't wait for this monthly candle to break this because it's gonna be the indication that's gonna we're gonna change direction, right? Because if you're looking at the monthly, we are mostly trending bearish, right? But the bullish but right now we are in a bullish trend, you know, right now, you know, I mean, we're the last candle closed bullish. We already broke previous high, so technically we should continue up, right? But we need to understand, looking at the high time frame, that around here, around that 141, it might start rejecting down, you know, to respect that bearish trend. If we start to break those body candle, now that's going to be a good indication that we're going to be changing direction, you know, so on the monthly. So again, we're speaking about the monthly. Donc, ce qui est important de comprendre sur le chart du mois, c'est simple, c'est que faut comprendre que la tendance principale va vers le bas, mais, mais actuellement, on est vers le haut. OK? Il faut comprendre qu'autour de cette ligne-là, on devrait commencer à avoir une résistance se former puis commencer à pousser vers le bas. Si on brise le body de cette chandelle-là, ben là, ça veut dire qu'on va commencer à avoir un mouvement vers le haut qui va trender bullish. OK? Donc, à ce moment-là, sur le monthly. So, all right, so looking at the weekly, I mean, everything's pointing bullish right now. I mean, we got that super double bottom on that weekly. I mean, we broke already previous high. Technically, everything's pointing towards the bullish momentum, right? So, I mean, donc, sur le chart de la semaine, tout indique qu'on devrait continuer vers le haut. On a déjà brisé le haut précédent, on a respecté le bas précédent. Tout indique qu'on devrait continuer vers le haut. Looking at the daily was a little scary this morning because coming on the chart at 5 a.m., we were at a daily resistance. But now we just broke it. We just broke daily resistance. So that's pretty good. But that was scary. That's why I didn't took the move up because I was not comfortable. I was seeing, first of all, I was seeing 140. 140 is the blue line. It's the QP. 140 is a very, very strong level. And we were at a daily resistance. So I was like, oh, okay, hold on, wait a minute. I got two huge obstacles in front of me. So let's just wait, for safer confirmation. Donc, ce qui est arrivé, regardez le daily. Ce qui faisait peur ce matin, c'est qu'on arrivait directement à une résistance daily. Puis en plus, on a le quarter point de 140 qui est un vraiment... QP is for quarter point theory. Yes, thanks, Mark. Qu'est-ce que je disais? Oui, c'est ça. On arrive à une résistance ici. On arrive au QP qui est 140, qui est vraiment très fort. Donc, j'aimais mieux attendre une meilleure confirmation qui était plus safe. OK? Mais, on a respecté le low précédent. On n'a pas encore brisé le high, mais le high, si on regarde hier, on a respecté le low, puis on a brisé le high. Fait que techniquement, on devrait continuer vers le haut. OK? So technically on the daily, we should continue up, guys. Okay, so basically, I mean, we didn't broke previous high yet, but I mean, everything else points towards this direction. So looking at 4-hour H4. So by the way, those purple line are mostly like daily resistance. The blue line are my QPs. Okay, so looking at 4 hours, I mean, yesterday we created support here on 4 hours and we needed this retracement down to continue up. That's exactly what I was talking during Raja's stream yesterday. I was like, man, I'm feeling that we're gonna move up, and I'm gonna explain you the move I took yesterday. That's exactly what I thought from the beginning of the session yesterday. So my analysis wasn't wrong at the end. So looking at 4 hour right now, I mean, 4 hour just right now it's not confirmed, but we are creating this support here on the 750 QP right on the dot. So technically, I mean, if we broke and close above here, this zone, I mean, we should continue up technically, but we need to be very careful because this is a strong zone also. I moved my zone because I adjusted with the H1. You see? So this is my H1 zone. Donc techniquement, on devrait continuer vers le haut encore. I mean, everything's pointing towards this direction. On devrait vraiment continuer. We got this. I mean, those two doji for me was right off candle, right? So it's kind of, if we put this candle beside this one, we got our support in H1. I wasn't able to take a trade because, I mean, stop was pretty big and I was right at a daily resistance with a 140 level in front of me. I was like, yeah, I don't know. I mean, I know there are some people who caught that move and well played, guys, but I was not too comfy. Donc, il y en a qui ont pris le move quand ça l'a brisé ici. Puis c'est correct, c'est un bon move. Personnellement, je ne l'ai pas pris parce que j'étais à une résistance daily. Donc, ça avait déjà été rejeté 3 fois. Donc, j'étais comme, OK, let's wait. Puis, en plus, on avait le 140, là, qui est d'habitude très, très fort comme level. So that's it. So now looking at the 30 minutes, looking at the 30 minutes, I mean, everything is almost the same as H1 right now. I mean, everything points towards the bullish momentum. The only thing we need to be careful now, it's those zone here. I mean, this is, this is, what time was that? That was 1:30 to 2 a.m. Yeah, so that was almost 12 hours of consolidation here, so I mean, you got to be very careful here. So what I want to see, it's either support being formed like around 140 and expecting an wide open push to break that zone. That's one I would like to see. Or, I mean, if we can break this zone and close above, I mean, yes, we're gonna get like a free ride to 140, 500, so that would be amazing. Donc, ce que je regarde présentement, c'est j'aimerais avoir peut-être un support qui vient se former autour de 140, puis avoir le push de New York Open qui brise cette zone-là. Puis, ou encore, ben oui, for sure, this Wickfield, for sure, for sure, for sure. Ou, good call, ou encore briser et fermer au-dessus de cette zone-là. OK? Donc, si on brise et on ferme au-dessus de cette zone-là, ben là, on va avoir un free ride jusqu'à 140, 500, puis on va remplir cette wick-là, comme Mark nous a mentionné. Donc, yeah, so like this wick should be filled on H1. Yeah, definitely. So yeah, so that's what it is. So now let's see charts. All right, so we got Cedric. All right, so Cedric, first time here. Welcome. Okay, let's see. One, support form and respected. Hold on, what's this? That's GJ 30 minute. Okay, support form and respected. Yes. Two. Oh, I cannot see your. Resistance was broken above, weighted on the close of the 15/30 minute candle. Entered at 140.16 for the buy. Ooh, you got some FOMO in. Missed this area of price before entering the target. Yeah, if you enter 140.16, that was a little bit of FOMO there. Because I mean, the move was already happening, like you enter probably, not even, you enter what, around here? Yeah, around here. So yeah, it's really hard to, I mean, let's see on the 15 minute, but you don't even have anything here. Yeah. So you just jumped in probably because you were thinking you're going to be missing this move. But at this point, I mean, I highly suggest to wait, The problem is you're trying to buy the high right now. So right now we just tapped into this resistance, I mean, we can move it right here, and this is the fake out here, So I mean, so you're right at resistance right now. So I mean, secure a profit because we might come back and create support before coming back up. So that's what I'm thinking. But it might continue up also, but that's what I'm seeing right now. So when price move fast like this, you guys got to be patient. Just play with your hands, clap with it, put your finger in your nose if you want, but I mean, don't, yeah, exactly like Mark does. Don't use your finger to take an entry when price move fast like this, because sometimes I'm telling you, you're gonna get trapped. So be very careful. Not enough range, correct. For my chart, correct? Yeah, I just checked it. Sorry, Mike. Okay, so let's see Mike's chart. So sorry guys, I'm late in the chat right now. All right. And if you're sending your chart, you want your answer in French, please just let me know. Donc, si vous envoyez votre chart en français, faites juste me laisser savoir que je puisse vous répondre en français. Okay, so this is Mike. This is DJ, 30-minute. Enter 130. Enter 139,883 when break high previous candle, close when take break even. So you took your entry here. Oh, hold on. What time was that? Oh, so you took your entry right here. Oh yeah. Oh, Mike. Yeah. Poor you, man. You were right at the daily resistance, straight on it. So I mean, that's very, very, very dangerous, you know. So I mean, it worked here, but like I said, I didn't took it because it's too dangerous. It's too. I mean, for me, it's too dangerous. So yeah, so that's what happened. I mean, the next candle rejected the daily resistance and started creating a resistance on the 30-minute also and pushed back down. So yes, here was maybe, I don't like to call them mistakes. I like to call them learnings. So here's the thing you should learn about it and take notes. That's a bit scary that you buy in front of resistance. Yes. What's up, my friend Mark? Ooh, Andrew. Didn't notice until I enter LOL, but have it in my note. If I lose, I know why. Exactly. You know, losses is fine. I mean, losing is okay. I mean, loses is okay if you're learning at the same time. If you lose and you don't know why, you're just losing for losing, that's that's just fucking dumb. You know, just like just like it's stupid. How's the mustache going? Oh, I guess that's a message for Mark. The stash is going good, I guess. 10%, 1%, 100%, yeah. Took a loss today when 430 candle broke previous 30-minute low, but it never did so. Did I go wrong anywhere? Harmon, can you send your chart? Send your chart and we're going to be taking a look at it for sure. Marc-Antoine. Marc-Antoine. Oh, that's cute. You got arrows there. That's pretty cute. That's pretty cute. Yeah. So trending bullish, price is bullish. Wait for some sort of support to go Wickfield. Yeah, that Wickfield. Yes. Yes, definitely. Yep, yep, yep. Makes sense. It was weak bullish 30-minute candle and the break of that I took short. Yes, send your chart, Harmon. It's better to wait for support, definitely. Sorry about that, brother. I didn't pay attention when sending it, and you on 100% correct on the FOMO. I mean, you don't have to be sorry, Cedric. I mean, don't be sorry about that. I mean, we all did those things. Don't get me wrong. I mean, we all did it. Every single one. Every single one of the traders that's profitable today did those kind of thing at one point, you know. So don't be sorry. You just need to learn about it, you know. So the rest, it will come. Um, man, if you knew, man, I took some dumbass trade. Oh man, oh man. Sometimes I enter and I'm like, and I look, I'm like, why did I did that? It's just like, yeah. So, morning guys. Took a nice trade today on GCAD during London session. Oh GCAD, oh GCAD, GCAD. I like GCAD. I kind of backlisted a bit of GCAD. Okay, so taking a look at this engulfing candle created support. Yes. So we're coming up, backing down. First TP, full TP. Oh, that's an amazing trade. That's on the 30-minute. Took an entry here. When this, you enter when this candle open, right? If so, that's perfect. Yeah, it's textbook, man. It's really textbook. It's pretty good. But to be honest, I would expect a retracement a little lower before coming back up, but you know, it is what it is. That's pretty good. Really pretty good, my friend. Pretty good, pretty good. Okay. Morning guys. Took a nice trade today on G. Oh, that was you. Okay, that's Filippo. All right, so nice trade, Filippo. Good job. Is okay. You're here to learn. Yes. Watch PH. What's PH? I don't know what's PH. Mounir. Mon idée de trade, mais j'étais inconfortable dans 140. DJ, 30 minutes. Buy, sell, no trade zone. Oh, ok. Quand ça a commencé à remonter ici, tu veux dire. Ok, je comprends. Ouais, non, effectivement, ben, c'est ce que je regardais aussi. C'est la même sorte de zone que je regarde. Puis effectivement, là, le 140 faisait peur. Fait que c'est pour ça que je ne l'ai pas pris. Absolument. Puis c'est très correct, mon. C'est correct de manquer des moves. Il n'y a aucun problème avec ça. Ces moves-là vont revenir, donc il ne faut pas être stressé avec ça. So guys, basically, don't be stressed. I mean, the guys didn't take this buy when price came up because he was scared of 140, and I said, yeah, it was the same thing for me. You could take it on H1 if you was a cowboy. Yeah, I forgot my hat today, so losing our learning lesson. Yes. Ellie, I thought you were sleeping for a second. All right, so Ellie. It's a paper trade. Is it a good idea to next time? Okay, let's see. Support. Wait, hold on. That's on the 16-minute. Okay, 1 hour. So support, close bullish, yes. 3 uptrend, yes. 4, if I enter here, I will have small SL, but it will give at least 18 pips. Okay, so the problem with this, the problem with this is those doji, for me, I consider those doji candle. Let me get something here. So the problem is those two candles for me are write-off candle. So if they are not there, this candle became my support confirmation, right? And let's say that you don't consider those candle as a write-off candle. That's okay. I mean, if you don't consider them as a write-off candle and say, okay, this is support. My problem is this bullish candle is a really small body closing smaller than the previous one. So it becomes a very unsafe trade. I will not take that, to be honest. Because it closed smaller than the other one, indicating we'll start moving down. The only thing that I will keep hope, it's because we respected previous low. But we are creating lower highs. So, I mean, at this point, it's confusing. So that's why I would not take that one. So hopefully it answers the question and clarifies things for people.
Yeah. Thank you, Sasha.
You're welcome. God damn, I impress myself sometimes. Okay, so let's move on. Ellie in bullish mode. Yes. Okay. Do you all have a recommendation on a note-taking app on the PC that sell chart and that I can take notes on? Man, the best thing, Cedric, is right here. I'm gonna show it to you. This will become your best friend. So the pretty cool thing with Trixie, it's not a screenshot. It's actually a live chart. So you can switch from time frames to time frames and take notes on everything, So it's pretty cool. I don't know how much it costs. I think it's like $8 maybe per month or something like that. But to be honest, I mean, it's just like for me, it's the best thing. It's just like I like it very much. I know there's other free stuff, like I think it's Trello, but those are fixed image, and I like the fact that I can go back on my chart and put, whoa, hold on, wait a minute, what I did here. Okay, so I like the fact I can go back on my chart and switching from time frames to time frame. So yeah. So that should answer your question. Oh, GJ is on fire. Rocket fuel in there. Jesus. Okay. Wow. Hold on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Where can we grab this? Okay. Yeah, no, there's no way. For a second, I thought I missed the entry. I was like, hold on, wait a minute. Did I miss something? No. No, there's no way we can catch this right now. So we gotta wait. We gotta wait for support being formed. So, and now that's perfect because you know what? To be honest, I wasn't expecting this to break that early. So I'm pretty excited about it because the fact that if we break this and we close above this zone, I mean, that's exciting because now we just got to wait for support being formed and we got free, clean traffic to the upside. So it's going to be amazing. I mean, next zone is at 141, so I mean, that's not true. We got a zone at 14500 here. I didn't put the rectangle because it was far. It was like here, if I'm not wrong. It's respecting that. Yeah, you see how it's respecting that QP? Boom, right here, So I'm gonna put a little zone over there. God damn, oh yeah, true, I forgot about that. Boom. Thank you, Mark. So let's do a little zone here. Boom. Yep. So that's our next target. So, but you see how it's rejecting that 250 right now. So that's why I said need to close above, So be patient, guys. There's 2 minutes left in this candle and the 1 hour should pull back, so. Okay, so let's get back to the chat. Yeah, Andrew said book is better. For sure, man. Book is always great. I mean, this is mine, so it's this notebook, man, is worth a shitload of money. Yeah, you see, Mark has his book too. So I mean, yes, book, you can go wrong, but I mean, I don't have chart in my book, so good job, good puppy, good puppy. Good dog. If you want to do online, if you want to do use Trixie, but if you want to do manual using and yeah, gotcha. Thank you. Welcome. Okay, Mike, part 2 of this chart. Entry. Enter 139,960, one break high previous candle. What do you think about my stop loss? It is very high. That's on the 15-minute, right? Okay. So let's take a look. I don't know if my trading view can go on 15-minute anymore. Let's see. Because I'm allergic to 15-minute. Oh, looks like I can go. Okay, you're lucky. So you took that trade right here, right on the resistance, which is super dangerous. And your stop was 12 pips. Not so bad. 12 pips is really legit. Yeah, 12 pips is legit, man. Yeah. I don't think 12 pips is big stop. It's pretty decent. Hey Sasha, I talked to you on Instagram last night. It's good to see you going to try to make today's profitable. Thank you, Cade. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining. Okay, so let's get up a little bit. Hey man, j'ai tellement mal au mollet. J'ai pogné une calice de crampe tantôt quand je me suis réveillé. Ah, c'est pour ça que je bois du Gatorade. All right. Oh man, feels better. Okay, so let's see. Next, Zane. We got a new chart from Zane. Oh, full TP hit. Whoop, whoop. Who let the dogs out? Who. Good job, man. Good job. All right. Small bullish candle is low volume. Yes, correct. It is. All right, so we got Harman chart. Oh. Took entry once this 30-minute candle broke previous 30-minute weak bullish candle, got stopped out. Is the yellow line your stop loss? I mean, it's not really, you know, I don't know. I don't know where's your stop loss, where's your take profit. Guys, if you send chart, try to put some details in it so it's going to be easier for me to help you out. Because right now, I mean, I don't know if this orange line took entry on this 30-minute candle, broke previous 30-minute weak bullish candle. Oh, okay, I see. Because you probably got your, yeah, okay, now I understand. Okay, so let's see. I see. So basically, you put your stop under this one, and this one wick down under you, right? But the mistake is entering on this candle confirmation, like I said earlier. This is a write-off candle, you know. I mean, and it closed super small. So man, at this point, there's no confirmation for buys. You know, there's no confirmation for buys. Um, I mean, this candle didn't broke previous high. This one didn't broke previous high. This one didn't broke previous high. This one didn't broke previous high. So at this moment, I mean, there's nothing indicating that we're gonna push back up. The only reason why I would have taken this trade, let's erase that. It's I'm gonna show you. It would be, let's say this candle start to go down first, and after that push back up, I might be able to take an entry when it breaks, like as an impulse entry, and put my stop under this one. But that's going to be a huge stop though. It's going to be a huge stop, so that's the down point of that. But I mean, I mean, that's the only way you might be able to enter on this, you know. So yeah. Um, Man, we're getting more chart and more chart, so that's pretty exciting. That's good, guys. Let's raise that. There we go. That's pretty good. All right. So now, GJ, you see how important it is to wait for a close. Look at this. For people who got in, like let's say a buy stop or an impulse entry right here. I mean, you see how it's respecting that QP right here. So right now we gotta wait. We're gonna wait for support to be formed. It goes to the moon. Yes, we could have bought it on M15 impulse. Yeah, M15 impulse will give you nightmares and will blow your account. So, I mean, 15 minutes is a super duper weak confirmation. Let me tell you, since I switched to 30-minute and H1, my win ratio. So, actually, I got someone who texted me on Instagram today, this morning. He's like, I went through all your trades on Trixie because my Trixie is public, guys. So you can take a look at it. The link's on my bio. So His name is Andrew K. I don't know if he's here today, but he said your statistic according at Trixie Journal is loss rate 28%, win rate 72%. I mean, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Actually, I never calculated it, so I didn't know. So that's pretty cool.
Hey, Satch, tu peux aussi le voir dans tes settings Magic Key.
Ah ouais?
Ouais. Mettons, si
Je
tu
vais
fais Show Stats, le piton vert en dessous, à côté de Enter, là.
Attends un peu.
Ouais, hein, les gars, c'est pas capable de faire deux choses en même temps.
Non, non, c'est quoi? Show
Show Stats. Puis là, ça va dire ton pourcentage de profitabilité, c'est quoi ton plus gros loss, ton plus gros gain, puis toute la patente. It is pretty lit, actually.
Hey man, il est pas mal on point. Profitable, 74%.
Man, c'est sick, là.
74,86 exactement. Wow.
Ça le fait, ça le fait.
Oh. Oh, that's pretty exciting. I didn't know that. So guys,
Yeah.
I just learned something. Thank you, Mark. So basically, if you click on show stats on your magic key, it will tell you your stats, your profitable percentage, and all those things. So that's pretty cool. All right, so I'm late in that chat right now. I'm running the 6 a.m. 57 chat right now. Mark, did you FOMO in? Question from Andrew. No. Cartier. I bought 15-minute impulse, secured 10 pips. Oh man, I think you got 10 pips right, like super tight. Oh yeah, man, you barely got 10 pips, man. So you're lucky, yeah, man. Secure that shit, and you're probably now broke even, right? Also, what's the situation on QPs? How do we draw them? And we need them to be more successful in trading this pair. I can give you a couple quick hint, but it's something that needs a lot more explanation. So that's something I'm going to cover in the course, but really simple. QPs are like quarters, right? So that's why they call quarter points theory. So it's like 25 cents, 50 cents, $1. So it's the same kind of thing. So basically those are psychological level. And usually market will respect those, So that's the basic thing about it. That's something I use for hints. And like I said, I don't, and QPs is like price action also. So, I mean, this is not an indicator or anything else. M15 is a no-go for me, Mark. Yeah, me either. Mark, new chart. Oh, a lot of pink arrows. Man, you love those arrows. Retracement, support formation, up.
Le côté féminin à Antoine.
Ouais, c'est ça. Ça va avec ses cheveux.
Yeah,
All good.
les cheveux,
Les cheveux,
Yeah.
la
pink
moustache.
arrows.
Direct à 140, ça serait parfait.
Ouais.
Yes, retracement around like 140 would be perfect. Come on, guys. A short at the break of the low counter trend. Yes. No. I saw your video. Pumps me. Never give up. Oh yeah, that's my yes, that's my ACN video. It's funny how I received a lot of message, about that video recently. I got a guy, he's like 56 years old, wrote me like he was super inspired and all kind of stuff. I was like, oh my God, I didn't realize he had an impact like that.
Yeah, that's pretty sick.
I
Oh, so you're
mean,
becoming an influencer.
Yeah, man. Tu vas commencer à faire des unboxings puis des bikini hauls.
ou il y en a qui font des unboxings avec des produits de potes. Je sais pas si tu as vu ça
Ouais,
hier.
Yeah.
Man, il y avait du matos, mon gars, ça n'avait pas de
Ah
sens.
ouais, écoute. Man, d'après moi, il va être gelé pour le temps des fêtes au complet.
Oh, ouais.
Learning that trade should be taken on break and retest. Am I correct? Learning that trade should be taken on break and yes. Yes. Retest with candle close, like Andrew says, it's always safer. But there's sometimes that market is trending hard. So yes, you can do some impulse move, and timing is everything. So it all depends on what kind of timing you got. Sasha, that button was there like when you got your magic key. I know. Come on, smartass. 0.500 and 00 psychological point are very strong, right? Yes. Stronger than 250 and 750? Yes. 250 and 750 are reversals and minors. Mark, where is the wheelchair? Yeah, Mark, where's the wheelchair? Mike, you chart. Oh, that's the same chart. I closed my day. Thanks. Okay. Good job, man. Good catch. Good catch. Good catch. Close that, and that's it. You know, secure profit, secure the bag, and freaking run. Guys, if you're enjoying the stream, I mean, share it on Instagram. That's going to help others. Oh, same chart. Sorry. Come on, man. Okay, so hey, man, I'm up to date on the chat. Woohoo! Awesome, man. You guys bombarded me. Like it. All right. So, looking at H1, that's a huge candle, man. In 2 hours, GJ went like 60 pip up almost. So now we can definitely expect retracement down. You see all those candles getting smaller now? So should expect, and especially that this candle right now broke previous low, only 30-minute. We respecting this blue line here. So yeah, we can definitely expect a retracement down now. Yeah, that will be ideal. You know, I mean, if we can get something like, yeah, exactly. Thank you. Mark, you can, yes. Your Trixie chart, are they on your Instagram? They are on Trixie, but the link to my Trixie is on Instagram. It's right here. So, I mean, everything you need, it's on my profile. If you click on it, there's a link here. You just click on that link and you can get Telegram group, YouTube, my trading journal, shop for your Forex swag. And oh yeah, by the way, I'm getting those hoodies probably today or tomorrow. I can't wait. Yeah, so I'm getting those. So, oh, what's that? 10% off on what? Oh, I answer that update. So anyways, yeah. My broker affiliate link. So by the way, guys, if you want a broker, looking for a good broker, Black Bull Market is a very good choice. And if you sign up with this link, they're gonna upgrade it. They're gonna upgrade you on the Prime account. Prime account will give you lower spread. So it's good. And usually they ask for a minimum deposit for a Prime account, so you don't have to have that minimum deposit. They're gonna upgrade you automatically if you use that link. And this is my Funding Talent affiliate link also. So everything you need is right here. One link, you know, it's right here. Man, I think I got more views on that video since I was doing this. It's funny. It's funny. Now I'm looking at it, I was like, man, I look retard. It's just like, God damn. I think that was me saying fuck you to 15 minutes or something. It must be that. I can't remember. Oh yeah, people asked me a question about that trade from yesterday. So let's do that. I almost forgot. Okay. So here. Okay, so yesterday I took the sell, right? I hit my full TP. That was great. Awesome. But I don't know if you guys were in the stream and if you guys remember, but hold on, wait a minute. Okay, let's move this like this. I don't know if you guys remember, but I said, all right, we are technically, I mean, we are on the bullish trend. So I said at this point, we should coming back up. Actually, I got a 2 pip loss here. I took a, you know, sometimes I do stupid stuff like everyone else, right? So look at this. Look at this. You guys gonna laugh, man. You guys gonna laugh. So yesterday, I in my journal, if you look, I have a small loss, right? I took a buy. God damn it! Where's my arrow? Here. Okay, so yesterday I took a buy on this opening candle, right? I was right at the 500 QP, and I noted in my journal that I need more space, and I don't trade if I'm close to that, right? So I took that in note. So I was like, I need to remember to not take this kind of trade, right? So look at what happened. Same fucking setup here. I enter on this candle yesterday. I enter, I press enter. I look at my QP. I'm like, oh no, god damn it. So I close it right away. It's a minus 2 pips. So I didn't journal that because I mean it was like 2 pips, but I did that same dumbass mistake 2 days in a row. And I was like, oh man. Because I really thought, to be honest, like right here, it was the same idea that we were coming back up. But again, that QP was respected. It was a small body candle compared to this one. I mean, at least this one was a huge one, but this one was a small body candle. So I was like, oh man, I opened it and closed it almost right away. So anyway, so after that, I write that sell. But the second trade is where people were asking question. So what happened is yesterday, I took this buy right here, right? So same setup showed up here. So when I saw that, this wick rejecting that QP, I'm like, all right, this is fuel to coming back up, right? So what I did is I flipped to H1. God damn, where's my here? So I flipped to H1, and looking at H1, now I got all kind of arrows, but I'm gonna leave it there for now. So you see those 2 wicks right here, right? They rejected that. So I said, all right, this is fuel to coming back up, right? So I waited for this candle to close, but man, oh man, it flew, you know, it's just like it just flew on me. So when it closed, I'm like, okay, I mean, we close above this. I mean, we should get the next 500 for sure. So what I did is I took an entry based on the opening of this candle, but placed my stop under the previous 30 minute. So I placed my stop probably like somewhere around here or something like that. Yeah, probably something around here. And I got my first 12 pips because I placed my partial TPs right here. So I think it was 12 pips or so. And after that, my final TP got it at 750. So right here. So yeah, so it was based on the H1, but placed my stop under the previous 30 minute because I mean the stop was way too big for me. So, but I was like, man, this is the same setup, same thing. So I'm like, all right. And what I did is, don't forget, I already had a good win. So I didn't want to risk my profits. I only took 1 entry of 5 lots and that's it. because I didn't want to risk my profits. So that's what I did. So that was the trade from yesterday. Boom.
Sasha,
Yeah,
can you go to a 30-minute?
sure. Give me 1 second. Just gonna erase all those arrows. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. 30 minutes. Yes.
So your entry was based on this close.
On the trade I lost. Oh
No,
no,
I think this
on
one
the
you
first
won.
sell,
You won.
mean. Oh, on
Yeah,
the
yeah,
first
yeah,
sell.
exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's gonna be easier if I show you this here. So here, so my first entry was when we broke this low. Okay, so my first entry was on this candle. Took an
Yeah.
impulse when we broke the previous low. After that, it retraced back up. It closed like this. So since it closed like this, I said, all right, it closed engulfing. So I mean, we're still good. So when it started to push it and did without creating that top wick, I was like, all right, we're good to go. So I entered 3 more position at this point.
Okay.
And it just melt.
Yeah, because I saw your entries around this area, and I was like, I thought you entered based on the 15
No,
because the entries
no.
were over here, and I was like, what did
No.
he do?
Yeah, that's I use dynamic risk. So
Okay.
so when my first entry is always my worst one, because I want to make sure I get an entry, because sometimes price just freaking
Yeah.
melt, you know. So at
Yeah,
least I got
yeah.
one. But if I can have a chance to get more entries retracing, I mean that's perfect because I get a smaller stop and
Yeah,
bigger
better
wins.
risk reward. Yeah.
Yeah, because don't forget my PTP here at 11 pips is based on my first entry. So that means all my 3 other ones was like 15, 16, 17, and 18 pips, you know?
Yeah, I saw your story. Yeah.
So that's
Thanks.
the difference. You're welcome. Any recommendation on a broker living in the US? I would say Trader's Domain. Yeah. My bank accounts are pretty good broker, yes. Yeah, Trader's Domain, yeah, for sure. First chart, trade on demo account. All right, let's check it out. I got like Andrew, I got like 64 pips, man, for that trade. Yeah, man, that trade was amazing yesterday. Okay, so first trade on demo account. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's take a look. Boom, boom, boom. Oh. Wow, it was so slow for a second. What? It's live? How we do that? What is that? It's Trading View? How come? How come it's live? It's now on my Trading View? How you did that? it's like it's the first time I see that. Usually it's a picture, no? Am I going retired right now? So can I move it? Wow. Wait a minute. How we do this? What? Okay, so anyways, so sorry guys, that's the first time I see that. Done on an M15's analysis, all right. I mean, right away, first question. I don't know. 15 minutes for me gave me, you know, just like I don't like it. It's a personal thing. I lost too much on 15 minutes in the past. So is my analysis all right? If I did on real account, I'd probably use low risk, or do you recommend to stay away from this risky trade on M15 and save myself for long-term profitability? It's okay to trade on 15 minutes if you want, but I'm pretty sure you're gonna get more wins out of a 30-minute and an H1. You know, I mean, I use 15 minutes if the trend is trending super hard and I'm trying to squeeze an entry. That's the only way I'm going to be taking a look at 15-minute. Except that, I'm not really interested into 15 minutes. But all right, gulag, that's cool. Clean candle traffic, which cancel out the gulag. Yes. Okay, so now let's see. One support formed. Support formed, bullish candle closed. Enter once previous candle, high broken. PT bits, 10 pips. Yes. Yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense. My only problem though is you are right. Like if you enter here when it breaks, I mean, you got to keep in mind that 140 can be rejected, you know, so you got to keep that in mind. So if you take a look here on 15 minutes, here you took your entry when this broke. I mean, you are right at a resistance right now. So, I mean, trying to buy the resistance is a risky business. And as you see, now it's rejecting, right? So, I mean, it's really, really, really risky to buy the resistance. So personally, I will not take this trade because it's too risky. There's a photo symbol in the right corner. This one? Yeah, but that one is to use screenshot. Save image, copy. Yeah, this one's for screenshot now. Oh, wrong chart. Oh, wrong chart, Mark.
J'ai essayé d'envoyer le. Tiens, mettons que tu peux envoyer ton code barre quand tu prends une photo, mais j'essaie d'envoyer mon chart, mais ça fait juste un wrong chart. Je sais vraiment pas comment recevoir le chart que tu peux boucher dedans.
So who sent that chart again?
That's pretty fucked up.
That was Cartier. Cartier, how did you send that? Oh, maybe just send. No, this. No, we cannot do that. Take snapshot.
No, you
Publish.
copy the
Maybe
link from the
publish.
address bar.
Share your idea with the what?
Copy the link. Just do the whole thing. Wait up. Let me try it.
Ouais, ça va faire un wrong chart, c'est ça que j'ai fait.
Record video idea, maybe?
Non, ça c'est un screen recorder.
Sur le mien, tu peux-tu bouger? Tu cliques sur le mien, ça.
Wrong
chart again.
Tu as cliqué sur le mien?
I just copied the link on address bar.
What the hell?
We're trying to do the same thing, but it's not working.
On doit pas
That's
payer
so
assez
funny.
cher notre abonnement premium, esti.
Yeah, maybe you're paying more money than us to trade you. That's probably it. That's weird. Publish. Yeah, I don't know. I don't want to put my phone down. It's just like I don't want to get the gulag calling me. Man, I have enough message on Instagram.
We close
looking
bearish,
good
guys. Are we shorting
Looking
that?
good.
Open calc. Let's see.
Crazy.
Ooh, that's a big ass stop.
You gonna sell that?
Maybe. Just for the show.
Just for the show? Yeah, that's
Nah,
it.
I
Yeah,
ain't shorting
yeah.
that. I'm waiting for support, of course.
Yeah,
I'm waiting. God damn.
Steve.
C'est clean comment qu'on a pas
Wrong
break
chart,
la
Steve.
wick en haut, puis qu'on a break le low.
Right. So now technically, I mean, we should continue down. So, I mean, that's perfect because now it's 7:30. Dick's candle should close around here. The 8, so that's going to be 8:30 closing bullish. Boom, we're going to be writing the NY open candle. That's going to be a perfect setup. So yes, that's what I want to see. I want to see that. I want to see this. I want to see this candle coming down, coming back here, closing here. The next one coming back up like this, and we ride the next one.
Come on, GJ. À 140, ça serait secret.
Ça serait parfait. Parfait.
On aurait du range. On aurait du range pour aller chercher les wicks qui sont là. Puis, c'est encore des flèches mauves. Puis après ça, avec le New York Open, on va aller wickfill l'autre wick à 140.
And if people's like, yeah, but he just said don't buy close to resistance, right? The only moment I'm going to buy close to resistance is when it's going to be volume time, which is NY Open, NYC, London close, those kind of timing.
Pas mal live, je te dirais.
Ouais.
Comment, GJ? Un autre demi-heure à attendre.
Ouais, c'est ça. How did you identify 140 QP? QP are fixed. QP are every 25, 250, pips. So it's like quarters, like money. 25 cents, 50 cents, $1. So it's the same thing, It's 750, 250. I posted this at 6 a.m. Est-ce que tu m'as envoyé un code de quoi, ça?
Un code promo pour...
C'est le code pour TradingView.
Tu sais que tu peux juste faire comme ça, ici. Tu fais Snapchat.
Je sais que tu peux, mais je parlais que t'allais...
Ok.
T'en envoyer.
Je fais exprès.
Le gars, il veut pas comprendre.
Non, c'est ça. Il veut juste me donner du trouble, man.
Oh shit, le
shit,
short, man,
wrong
il
short.
fonctionne, là.
Pardon. Ça marche pas, là? Non, there you go.
Okay.
There you go.
So 30 minutes. Okay. High to be retested. Clean candle on the left.
Ooh, 10 pips.
Possible area where support could be formed. Move high. Yeah. Right. Exactement, man. Exactly what we're waiting for.
Yeah.
Yep.
Mark, did you short it?
Non, ça, tu m'as dit de pas faire ça.
J'ai pas de rien à faire.
Comme ceux qui disent sur stream à radio, ouais, là, c'est quoi qu'on fait, là? On fait quoi?
Ouais, c'est ça. Yeah, crazy.
Il y a toi, puis il y a moi.
Il fait genre,
Ouais, c'est ça.
are we buying? Plus, Roger's like, I'm buying.
I don't know about you.
Comment salty pourquoi? That's so funny. Salty as hell.
C'est un beau setup, par contre, mais counter trend, là. Le
Ouais.
bail va être plus sick.
Yeah.
So now we did a test on YouTube, right? I put the recorded version of Tuesday.
Yep.
And you remember when we hit TP, I played the song "Who Let the Dogs Out."
Yeah.
No, I'm just waiting to see, because I realized after, I was like, oh shit, maybe gonna block that video because I played a song in it. So I was like,
yeah.
God damn! So I'm doing a test. If it get blocked, I'm just still using that song as a TP hit.
So you can't play videos or music videos from YouTube on Zoom. Is that what it is?
On YouTube.
C'est à
Yeah,
cause
On
des
Zoom
autres
it doesn't
heures.
matter, but now I published that video on YouTube. It's
You can post them,
copyrights.
but you cannot monetize on them.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
really?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Ah, t'as un bout avant d'être monétisé, mon gars.
Ouais, c'est ça. I don't give a shit.
He doesn't have enough followers.
I'm not gonna be
Genre
paid from
10.
YouTube for a while.
Je pense que c'est genre 10 000 abonnés pour être monétisé.
Yeah, I think you need 10,000 followers or something like that.
That's quite a lot.
Yeah, it is. Man, growing a following base it takes lots of time, man. Lots of time.
We are 27 right now.
I mean,
Come on,
takes
guys, let's reach
come on,
10,000.
guys. Yeah, that's it. No, it takes a lot of times, man. My
Yeah,
IG
really.
account, I started my IG account to, I think I was at 200 people when I started to do Forex.
Yep.
And now I think reaching 3,000 soon.
Puis même, c'est une communauté qui amène tellement d'attention puis de nouvelles
Ouais.
personnes. Là.
Ah non, c'est fou.
Les gens, ils ont faim.
Ah ouais, absolument.
Ouais.
That is
I
perfect
agree,
right
but I
now.
disagree at the same time. Checking at the chat, you know, we have like 100 people, but there's always the same like 10, 15 people talking. The rest is just.
Oh, in the Discord, yes.
C'est vrai, hein?
Yeah.
On est genre 40. On est 5 qui partagent.
There you go. Quality content.
54.
I don't know who said that, but right. Quality content brings quality individuals. Exactly.
Totally.
Yeah, facts. Big
Oh,
facts.
facts. Yes.
I agree.
Je sais pas c'est qui a du background noise là, mais
Oh.
ça
Peut-être moi.
cille. Oh, je pense que toi. Man, t'as tombé des écouteurs de BS, man.
Si tu veux,
Dude,
C'est des
je vais te faire un
vieilles-
cadeau
c'est
de
des-
Noël. Là, c'est-
des vieilles Sony, mais ouais. Il est temps de changer. Là. Ils ont
Ben
fait du
là,
plage.
man, c'est clair. Là. Change ça, ces écouteurs-là. Jesus. Je vais te donner mes beats, man, si tu veux. J'en ai genre 3 paires, man.
Dude, I'm at Newfoundland. Let's say sit.
Sasha, sorry if I missed this, but will you start to stream full time in the future? I don't know. I don't know yet. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe for students, and probably gonna keep it like Tuesday, Thursdays for everyone. I don't know. I didn't do my plan yet. I don't know. Bye bye, Mike. Have a good one. I think you had a good catch, right, Mike? Mike, I think you got your 10 pips, so it's good. Call it a day. Have fun, enjoy. There we go. So, ooh, who's Forex student again? Is somewhere in the group today? Forex student on IG? No. You just finishing verification. No trading for me until 10-1. Only paper trading. Good job, man. Oh, that's Cardo FX. Okay, nice. Congrats. Congrats. There we go. Yeah, so Funding Time is launching a challenge program also.
Really?
Yep. Yeah, they changed the stuff a little bit. Instead of, let's say, on the 100K account, instead of being 10K profits, you need to do 8K profit, and verification is 4K, and you got 60 days to do it. You know, so
How much upfront?
split commission is how much you pay. It's the same price. It's like 600 something. And split commission, I think, if I remember correctly, is it 75-25 or 80-20? Can't remember, but it's better than FTM. So they are coming out. They were supposed to be launching last week, but I think they had some issues technically. So should launch pretty soon.
Do you trade on a demo account like on FFTMO?
Yeah, same thing. Yeah, same thing. Yeah, same thing. But you choose your broker though. My problem with FTMO is you got to use their freaking broker, and I don't trust that.
Yeah, it's horrible, man. The broker.
Yeah, I tried it. And it's just like, nah, no,
FTMO?
man.
FTMO
Sketchy, man.
broker?
Yes.
Yeah,
No, I know.
their
it's,
server.
Yeah, their server is sketchy, man.
Yeah,
So I don't know.
and their spreads, man. Pff.
Yeah. No, so that's the thing. You can use like you can use any broker that they have on their platform, and you can ask for the ECN raw count. So I mean, it's good, you know. Yeah, so you still trade on demo, but and again they put, oh yeah, that's the other twist into it. That's pretty cool. And I don't have all the details because it's not out yet. But Jessica wrote to me, and I mean, she wrote in the Discord to everyone, not to me, but and she was writing all the details. And I think there's a part that they put money into a live account also, you know, so which is pretty cool. Yeah.
CAD, man.
The what?
USD CAD.
USD CAD?
That would have been a nice trade.
Man, I want Price to respect this here.
The thing is, well, we're rejecting a very strong zone at the top.
Yes.
That's the thing.
I knew it.
Ouais, le short, c'était beau.
We
Damn it. Oh well. Still think it's gonna go up.
Oh yeah.
Ouais, là, on commence à avoir du range, plus de range pour aller retest les ice. ce qui est
Ouais,
vraiment
c'est parfait.
intéressant.
Non, c'est parfait. That is perfect. I want to take a look at gold. Let's take a look at gold. Whoa, daily is just fully bullish. 4 hours. Wow.
Gold's coming back nicely a little bit.
Yeah.
Should have bought some.
I want to see gold to break and close above this, create support and push back up, because after that you have, man, oh man. Look at this after that. That is like, god damn.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa. Ooh, that's exciting. I feel like I'm gonna take my first trade on gold. Man, oh man. That is sick. Man, let me check.
Sasha, are you gonna trade gold now, or can you go back to GG?
Yeah, I can go back to GG. Just give me 1 sec.
Okay.
That's weird, man. I open gold chart on my Vantage FX and there's nothing. That's just like, it's a white screen. So weird. I tried that earlier a couple weeks ago and it was the same thing.
You plan to take a trade on gold?
I don't know. I'm kind of excited right now. Maybe I'm being, maybe I'm FOMOing in on gold right now. Gold is so crazy. Gold is like a wild horse, man. I've been backtesting gold for a couple weeks now, so we'll see. Yeah, so I'm back with GJ here.
So once you, because I'm just looking at what just happened, since the bearish candle before this one is engulfing, it's
Mhm.
closing below the previous candle's low. I mean, that would have been a good short, and the range is
it's a good short. I mean, if you want a quick in and out, yes, but this is a counter trend, you know.
I just feel like if you go back to Monday, the same thing happened. Exact same thing happened on Monday after the big move up at 6 a.m.
This one?
Where's Monday?
Monday, December 1st.
Le 30.
That's all.
Go back again. See here, there you go. Go, descends, plus bas. Yeah, droite là, à gauche, droite là, exactement. Tu vois? Move up.
So,
And if you
yeah,
look
for
at the
sure.
30,
Yeah.
all the way down.
Well, for sure. But anytime you have a bullish trend, I mean, look, move up, move down, move up, right? So yes, you can take a sell, but you get, I mean, counter trend is always more risky. So yes, it can work, and you know, it worked for anyone who took that sell. It worked because you got your 10 pips, right? So I mean, if you enter here, I mean, the wick went to 13 pips, but for me, it doesn't make sense because I'm like almost like not even 12 pips to my resistance zone, you know. So the range is too small. That's number one. And number two, the trend is bullish. So anytime you try to trade against the trend, man, it might work sometimes, but most of the time it will reverse in your face. So that's why I try not to take those anymore. Like this one here yesterday, this one here that was trending in the intercession, but the major trend was bullish, right? So, and you saw at one point it reversed, but that's okay because it was a huge drop.
It was a nice trade. But j'allais dire, you were taking those before. I feel like now you're just taking the higher probability trade.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. I changed that. But it depends. You know, sometimes if I have a lot of range, yes, I'm going to be more tempted to take that sells. But now it's too short. Especially, I got this zone, I got 140. It's just like, meh, I don't know. And you're right into a fib rejection also. I mean, you're aiming straight into a huge rejection zone. So, I mean, maybe price will continue down and destroy everything. That's possible also. I mean, when GJ wants to do something, GJ don't give a shit about anyone. It just does it, you know? So, but I'm trying to, and I think that's one of the reasons why my win rate is increasing. It's because now I'm trying to put all my chances on my side, you know? So I try not to take risky trade, you know. Of course I still take some because I'm this kind of guy. I like adrenalines and risky stuff, you know, but yeah. Not saying there is necessarily an issue with FTMO. It just looks sketch sometimes. Some friends use them. FP doesn't accept Canadian traders. FP is.
They do.
What's FP?
Jesus. They do accept Canadian traders. I'm a Canadian trader, and they accept me. So, the thing is, they only accept Quebec. They don't accept Ontario and Vancouver and BC. So that might be the problem.
Yeah, so you might want to check if you're in Canada, man. You might want to check the black bull market for sure.
Yeah, for sure. Good point. Wire some crypto as well, and that's my next option. I feel like all the brokers are leaving Canada, except black bull markets and traders domain.
Yeah, Black Bull are very solid, and what I like about them is they're really, really cool. They're really into the FX world. They really give a lot to the community. So if you look at their Instagram, they're always doing lives, explaining charts. I mean, I don't know any other broker that's, I mean, that
They're
that
involved.
does so much, man.
Il y a Wanda aussi, ils sont quand même pas pires, puis ils acceptent les Canadiens.
T'es terrible, man. T'es chiant. So you see now, if you holding that sell, now that's the point. It's, you know, it's tricky. So hopefully, if you took that sell, you close partials, put your stop at break even, and probably now you're probably stop at break even. But yeah. All right, come on, DJ. Man, ma canne de mollet me tue. C'est terrible, man. Tu sais, quand tu t'étires dans ton lit, puis là, d'un coup, ça te pogne. Hey, je pense que j'ai réveillé ma blonde, man. Je capotais. Man, oh man, we are being so patient this morning. I'm very proud of everyone. Didn't do stupid shit. And I think the market will reward us for being patient. So. 8 o'clock incoming. Well, I'm just gonna mute myself. I need to go see the kid is leaving for school, so I'll be right back.
Là, c'est le temps pour les mini dogs de take over le stream.
Do it.
Non, mais mon mic cille, fait que je peux pas. Je peux
Tu
pas
peux pas
parler.
faire ça. Tu peux pas faire ça.
Mais c'est bizarre, moi je m'entends pas sciller. Fait que...
Ouais, c'est bizarre. Mais c'est comme un. C'est pas si agressant que ça. Là.
C'est genre un
Ça
petit
dit-
background noise.
Ouais, ouais. Limite, c'est agréable, tu sais, ça fait exotique.
Faudrait que je me mette un green screen
Ah ouais, à la plage.
d'exotisme.
Un petit chapeau, le collier de fleurs, là.
Yeah, hawaïenne.
Ah yes. Ça serait pas pire.
God damn.
Oh là là, c'est long un matin.
Ouais, elle me disait tout le temps ça.
En vrai, il va republier ça sur YouTube puis il va être flagué à cause de toi,
Satchaman.
Satchaman.
On est comment dans le stream? Yo, 26 personnes.
Quand même, quand même.
26 bins.
Ouais. Ouais. En plus, je me suis levé un matin puis j'ai réussi à pogner un trade. J'étais fier de moi.
Sur GU.
Non, sur GJ.
Sur GJ?
Ouais. En me levant à 139,940. Genre.
Ok, impulse buy?
Ouais.
Oh
Sur le
shit.
30 minutes, ouais.
Ok. Your boy ain't fucking around.
Non, man. Pas le choix. Pour une fois, je me lève.
Fini la charité.
Exact.
Si on close avec une wick, là, je serais peut-être prêt à impulse buy au break du high.
Bridge
serais
high,
fou de même.
if tu close bullish, tu veux dire, right?
Non, si on close, admettons bearish comme ça, avec une genre de wick qui reject 139, 930, puis qu'après ça, on flip bullish, puis qu'on break le high.
Yeah, gotcha. Yeah.
Là, Satch, il pense qu'il nous parle, mais on l'entend pas parce qu'il y a son mic muté.
True. I was speaking a lot alone. God damn.
On aurait dû laisser ça rouler un petit peu plus longtemps puis l'ignorer.
Yeah, the other idea, like Mark said, hold on, where's my arrow here?
On met des flèches mauves, là, ça paraît bien à l'écran.
Yes. The other thing we can look at, since it's going to be the 8 o'clock candle, maybe we can see a candle starting to print like this, respecting previous low, of course. If we respect previous low and start pushing back up, we might be able to enter impulse as we break the previous high, and boom, you know. So that's something I might be looking at.
If you close the high, impulse.
Yeah, at
Yeah, that's
8
what Mark was
o'clock.
saying.
Yeah, non, c'est ça, j'ai dit comme Marc a expliqué. Je donne son prop,
Yeah.
Deux
Moi,
embauches
juste resté l'exécution.
Sasha, what about funding talent? I started with them 1 month ago, and now I'm 1.2K in profit on a
All right.
25K account. That's pretty good. I just received my profit split, but what about my account? They're bringing it down to 25K, or I can use the same account. Oh yeah, you reset after 1 month. Yeah, after 1 month it resets. So you get your profit, it reset to 25K, and you start over, and you need to build your live account to, on the 25K account, I think that's 3,750 or something like that. So you're gonna keep compounding that live account and gonna be able to trade a live account. So yeah, it should reset. It should reset after 1 month. But good job, Filippo, man.
Yeah, that's
job.
pretty good.
Yeah, that's very good. So your third of your live account, you know, so that's pretty good.
Come on, GJ.
I fucked up so bad with funding talent at the beginning, man. It's crazy.
Oh, we can maybe close above 140.
Yeah, that's, to be honest, I will feel more comfortable closing above 140.
Ooh, Mark,
Ooh.
look at UCAD.
UCAD is going down.
Ooh.
Holy shit.
UCAD.
It's nasty.
UCAD is always nasty.
Yeah, it's so rangy.
Oh, here we go. Closed.
All right, we close above, guys.
That's good. That's good.
I'm gonna open calc that.
Yeah, me too.
Input risk 15%.
But if it goes up first,
Yeah.
I don't know. Pepito.
Hola, le Pepito, el gringo.
Oh, what happened? Can you guys hear me? I
Yep.
lost sound.
No, we can't hear you.
Come on, GJ.
Oh shit.
Bullish mode activated.
Okay, you're back. And again, my vintage FX is doing some funky stuff.
Vintage.
Yeah.
What a nice broker.
I'm gonna be switching because man,
Sucks.
drive me nuts.
These nuts. Come on, man. J'ai pas attendu tout ce temps-là pour juste scroll down mon Instagram.
Ah, c'est ça, tu checkais les minettes, hein?
Les cocottes.
Bon, Marc?
Hein?
Pas
Ce
de
qui est
blonde?
le fun, ce qui est le fun
Non,
après
elle
ça,
a
c'est
ditch
que
au mois
cette
de
vidéo-là est
septembre.
sur YouTube, tu sais.
Hmm.
Ouais,
Faut commencer à y penser.
c'est correct.
Oh man, on dirait que t'as genre 22 oiseaux différents dans ton
J'ai un
écouteur.
zoo.
Ouais,
Attends,
c'est
je
ça.
peux.
Exotique.
En fait,
exotique.
c'est très exotique. Ouais, c'est ça.
Est-ce que ça s'est encore?
Ouais, c'est ça encore, fait que c'est clairement pas tes écouteurs.
Et-
Ah, bah.
Man, moi, je l'entends pas, to be honest. Fait que,
Pour vrai?
je l'entends pas.
Dans le
Mais
fond, c'est les
peut-être que moi,
AirPods à
ça-
Statch, man.
Non, moi aussi, je les entends, man.
Ah ouais, c'est ça.
Les oiseaux, c'est...
Check, mets-toi sur mute 30 secondes, tu vois.
Ah, on n'entend plus.
Oh, plus de criquets. C'est ça, pas des oiseaux, c'est des criquets. Vintage FX is one of the worst broker I've ever tried. When big movement happen, it freeze. Yes, they're closing in Canada, and Blackbull is taking away PayPal payment.
Hmm.
They're taking away PayPal payment? No, I don't think so.
Ouais, ils ont annoncé. Ouais.
Oh yeah.
Ouais.
But the good news though is I spoke with my account manager there, and they are probably gonna get e-transfer. So
Ah, ça, c'est cool.
Interact, yes. So.
Mais je pense que la raison de PayPal, c'est dur d'avoir un broker qui fonctionne avec PayPal s'il n'est pas réglementé dans le pays.
Mm.
Parce que, tu sais, il n'y a aucun broker que PayPal à part genre FXCM, puis des affaires comme ça, tu sais.
Mm. I see.
Je sais pas si c'est une affaire de réglementation, là, j'imagine.
Too bad. Sorry, brother, can you share that with me if it's okay? Share what? Oh, you're talking to Steve, I guess. No, I don't know. They close in Canada. Did I miss something?
Moi, je répondais seulement pour le broker. Là. Je suis pas mal sûr que PayPal, ça marche avec des brokers au Canada là, qui sont certifiés.
Ah, ça se peut, ouais. Ça se peut très, très bien.
De la seule façon, j'ai fait un transfert avec PayPal, c'était avec Wanda. Donc,
I'm reading the comments. Me and Mark are like, Vintage is sick. Then Filippo, Vintage FX is one of the worst broker I've ever tried.
No, but to be honest, like I never had problem with Vintage before, but
Yeah.
since the past month, man, it's horrible. I don't know what's happening.
Mhm.
It's just freezing all the way. As soon as there's a lot of volume, it starts to freeze. And most of the times it happens in NYC Open.
Mhm.
And then
Essaye
NYC Open
sûrement
start to
de...
freeze.
Il essaye sûrement de montrer aux Canadiens de juste quitter le broker parce qu'ils veulent plus faire avec nous autres.
They just want to show the Canadian customer that the service sucks, so they gotta leave.
Parce que yo, avant, ça allait bien. Là.
Ouais, je sais. Ça, je te dis, I never had a problem before. But in the past month, it's just been horrible. So I'm going to ask Funding Town for a change of broker at the end of this month. So, but my Black Bull is working super good, though. Nothing to say, to be honest. I never had any problem with them so far.
What's your spread on Black Bull right now, Sash?
Right now, it's 0.8.
Okay.
0.7, 0.6, 1.2, whoop, 0.6. I don't know, around that.
Yeah, it's fair. J'étais à 0.4, 0.8.
That's good. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Oh yeah, I'm patient. Man, that was a long wait this morning. Long wait. A long wait. Man, Filippo looks like he has a very nice backyard. He's too focused right now. Doesn't hear me. Okay, yes. Nice background, man. Nice church.
He's in the Swiss Alps.
Sorry for all the broker. Whoops, did I miss something? Sorry for all the broker stock session. Oh, that's fine. I just switched to FP and they never mentioned to me they were closing Canada. He's in the Swiss Alps. Yeah, I guess Black Bull or Traders Domain. Yeah, same. Awesome. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you. Sorry I can't turn my audio on because I have worker on my house and the noise is so high. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine, bro. Come on, DJ. Come on, DJ. Oh, Marc se prépare pour aller au travail.
Yeah, man. Sooning up.
Look at GJ now.
Si on avait short, on aurait sûrement break-even après. Fait que...
Ouais. T'aurais eu un petit 10 pips, là.
Ouais. Avec mon 70 pips de hier, je me contente utilement de 10 pips.
Ouais, c'est ça qui arrive. Hein? C'est ça qui arrive. Yeah, Mark have a date, man. He's having a date with...
Non. I wish, mais non, c'est une grande réunion de projet aujourd'hui. Fait que...
Avec des masques, pis tout.
Avec des masques, ouais.
Yeah.
Oh, man, yesterday, man, I had to go see a store that just opened, so never saw them before, so I had to... It was one of the really rare time where I went into to see my customers since a while. Man, I have to give a training to employees with my mask on. Phew, man, it took me like an hour or so. At the end, I came to my car. I was just like so out of breath. It's just like because I kept on talking, you know. So
think about this. So
I was so thirsty, man. It was crazy.
So Tuesday, when I flew from 11 a.m. to around 7 p.m., I had my mask for 8 hours because you can't take it off in the airport and the plane. So yeah.
Even to eat in the plane?
They
don't serve lunch anymore?
No, they don't serve anything.
Oh, on every planes?
Well, on the boat that I took, it was 1 hour and a half plane. So it was short. That's why too. But usually they offer like drinks, but they didn't offer anything this time.
Oh, that makes sense.
No.
That makes sense. Because I was actually looking at. I told my girlfriend, I was like, man, I'm just sick of this. I just want to go on a fucking vacation, you know, just like get me out of here, you know, just like. So I was looking to book a cruise, and she's like, nah, scared. I was like, yeah, you're right. It doesn't make sense. But I said, maybe we can go into a resort though. Resort looks safe. But the plane thing was scaring her. I was like, yeah. But now if people doesn't take out their mask to eat, let's change this. So maybe safer. I don't know. Whoa, man. So boring.
Sasha?
Yep. Oh, you got a chart here. Yes, Eva, go ahead.
What is your opinion about drop shipping? Do you know?
Drop shipping?
Yes.
I know I know we use it. I don't take care of it, so I don't know how it works exactly. But I know for a fact that our company used drop shipping. But I cannot tell any much on it because I don't really know about anything about it. I just know we use it.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. Can this area be problematic for price to continue higher? Purple line, it can test and continue lower. Would you prefer price to close above this? Yes. I mean, I wanted to close above 140, so.
This is good though. It's a nice 30 minutes so far. It's not
Yeah.
going lower.
So Mark, you should leave for work now. Because every time you leave, Kendall starts to move.
Ah, man. Like the other time.
Or when you take your shower, usually I grab 50 pips. So,
Yeah.
so that would be a great time to go take a shower.
That is a nice confluence to add.
Yeah. Mark's in the shower. Boom, taking a bye.
Trend line doesn't work. RSI doesn't work. Mark in the shower. Market.
Boom. Market explode.
Yeah. No, I texted my boss. I said, I might get to the office a little late.
There's a lot of traffic.
Yeah. I'm at like 10 kilometers of the office. So
Yeah, that's funny.
Remember in 2018 when I used to work in a bank. I was in commercial banking, and I'd show up to work at 6 a.m. and hide in like those small offices, use their Wi-Fi to trade. And this one time, I like went from one of the small offices, and I was walking to my desk, and my senior advisor sees me, and he goes, "What the hell are you doing here this early?" I'm like, "Oh, I was just studying in one of the small rooms, you know." And he's like, "Wow, you're really dedicated." I'm like, "Yeah, I'm pretty dedicated."
That's funny.
They don't even know.
moi, la dernière fois que j'étais allé travailler pour une banque, j'ai rentré là avec une cagoule noire, un gun des mains, puis je suis ressorti en courant.
T'es sorti avec du cash au moins ou t'es juste ressorti de là en courant?
Ouais, je travaillais pour salaire minimum, mettons.
Man, oh man, since I start to write QPs in my journal, I have so many questions. It's not even funny how many messages I got. And I've been hiding this QP strategy for a while because I didn't want to start explaining everything. But now I started to explain and it's just like, oh man, it's getting me in trouble right now.
Parce que les gens ils pensent que c'est le prochain nouveau secret de Forex.
Ouais, non, je sais. So anyways, oh well. We're probably going to do a webinar at one point. I'm going to explain it full.
The ones je n'avais partagé avec vous autres, moi c'est 00, 200, 800 puis 500. C'est un petit peu différent les quarter points.
C'est le même concept. C'est juste que qu'est-ce qui arrive, c'est que il y a des paires, comme JJ sont un peu comme ça. Souvent, JJ va respecter beaucoup le 200, au lieu du 250. Mais la théorie reste la même. C'est juste que.
Oh yeah.
C'est ça.
C'est juste un autre comme confluence, c'est tout. C'est pas.
Non, c'est ça.
I'm not gonna get out of a trade because it's reaching a level.
Mais non.
If everything's telling me that it's gonna go down more, just...
Non, il y a une façon de travailler avec ça que moi j'ai appris, puis que c'est parfait pour combiner. Mais c'est ça.
C'est pas parce que les banques, les hedge funds, ils utilisent des chiffres ronds.
Oui, exact. Ouais. Absolument. Mais ça part tout de là.
Ouais,
Cette théorie-là part de là, dans le fond.
c'est ça.
Ouais, c'est ça.
En yen, ça se calcule bien.
Ouais.
Il y a aussi le fait que tout ça, c'est psychologique. C'est comme quand tu vas gazer ton truck, puis tu mets 50 000 dedans,
Ben juste.
à la place de mettre
Ouais, tout le temps.
Je fais plus ça, ça fait longtemps.
Tout le temps. Moi, j'ai un toc, man. Je peux pas. J'ai un toc, man. Je peux juste pas. Si j'étais à 51,
il est
fuck
au
it, man.
corps.
Je m'en vais à 60. Si ça me débordera, j'en crisserai à terre. C'est pas vrai que je vais fermer ça à 51.
Clic, clic, clic.
Je vais dire au char dans l'air, avance, t'en là, je t'en donne.
Mais tu sais, c'est la même affaire dans le market. C'est comme les spéciaux à 99 cents à la place d'une pièce. C'est tout de la
tellement
psychologie.
psychologique. Mais ouais. All right, that's first 15-minute closed. And it closed bearish. And it closed above 140.
Yep.
A tiny thing above 140. So yeah, still looking good. I mean, we got like 13 minutes left. Technically, we should start to see some volume coming in. Usually around like 8:23, price start to move faster. So we'll see. You know, if we break this high around like, to be honest, I will prefer for a candle to close like kind of this size or this size here and right the next one. But I might take a small entry if we break this.
Yeah, if it closes engulfing the previous one, that would be perfect.
Yeah, that would be perfect.
That'd be great.
A close with no wick would be perfect.
You like those? Twice in a row, boom, boom.
Yes.
Twice in a row, grab 50 pips on. Hey man, you should see people texting me, man.
Yeah.
And people gets mad. It's crazy, man. I got message like, bro, how can you do this? There are no wicks on the top, man. I was like, you always said that there's no range. You should take that trade. I'm telling you, people gets mad. It's like, whoa, relax there. Just like, I took it because I've been backtesting this a lot. And, you know, when this kind of setup's happening and I'm rejecting like 3 rejection zone, I know there's more than 50% chance it's going to go up, you know? It's probably going to be like 75, 80% that's going to go up. So that's why I took it. And, you know, it was 2 days in a row. Like this one here, and where was it? Like this one here. Same setup. Here and here. Same freaking setup. I took 50 pips plus on both. So
yep, it's a great week so far.
Yeah, doing pretty good.
I just realized when a candle closed with no wick at the resistance, that maybe is probability to not continue off.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, for sure.
Why?
Yeah, no, that's a good point. Yeah, if it closed like let's say that this zone was here, let's say like this, and this candle close like this, you know for a fact there's no wick at the bottom. At a resistance, there's a better chance that we're gonna go up. Like this one, yeah, same thing. Yeah. So come on, DJ, don't close like that. Man, oh man.
Ouais, je vais mon
Tu l'as fermé ou tu l'as ouvert?
Non, j'ai open calc.
Oh. That sounded loud.
Mais là, vu que j'ai plus mes écouteurs, vous pouvez tout entendre.
Ouais, c'est ça.
Clac, clac.
Clac, clac, clac.
Ouais. Ça risque d'être un trade que je vais prendre au bureau.
Man.
Est-ce que Marc, ça marche finalement l'update de Magic Keys ou non?
Ah, je l'ai pas réessayé. Ça marchait pas. J'ai essayé
Dude,
3 4 fois.
what?
Ça marchait pas.
C'est vraiment trop cool le pip counter puis l'espèce de
Ah ouais, comment ça marche pas?
l'espèce de
Ben, genre,
breakdown.
j'ai réinstallé avec le lien qu'il y avait sur leur site, mais comme j'ai toujours l'ancienne version, genre, il n'y a rien qui apparaît, il n'y a pas d'update.
Hmm.
Message là sur Instagram, le gars,
Ouais,
il
DM.
répond super vite, man.
Ouais. Ben,
Il est vraiment
en
cool.
même temps, j'ai déjà mon spread avec l'indicateur, puis je me suis mis un pip counter comme qui était slide dans le chat, fait que ça revient au même. Là.
Mais tu peux pas mettre des multiple partials?
Ah non.
Non.
Ça, c'est la vie, man.
Ça, c'est nice. Yeah.
Eh,
Depuis que j'ai ça, je suis excité. Là.
Yeah. That's very nice.
Ouais, multiple partials, I like it.
Le plus nice, je trouve, c'est le PTP hit quand il te met sur ton break-even right away. Là, ça, c'est.
Ben oui.
Satisfaisant.
That's so great.
Man, yesterday was the first time I left a run when I was not in front of the computer.
Yeah, that's pretty
That's
sick.
pretty good.
Yeah, that was pretty good. I mean, since a while, you know, like back then I was swing trading. I was always doing that. But man, I was freaking out. I was talking to my customer. I was looking at my phone at the same time. Oh shit! I'm in a drawdown. Oh fuck! Oh shit! Get in my car and like, oh no, man! I'm driving. I'm watching it. It's just like, oh god. Yeah, no, it's like, no. Now I left my runner. I knew I was at break. I mean, my stop loss was in profit. I set up one partials and another full TP. I was like, whatever happened, it happened, you know. And I went to work, came back, and full TP it. I was like, yeah, that's pretty amazing. Yep.
Puis on a tous déjà fait ça, trader sur notre cell sans regarder. Puis je sais pas si ça fait la même chose, mais MT4, ça paraît toujours plus pire que, mettons, quand tu regardes sur TradingView. Genre,
ah oui.
Sur ton cell, on dirait que les chandelles sont toutes plus grosses.
Oui, ça me fait peur, man, quand on drawdown. I'm sure those people was Mark when he was in the shower. Who entered 69 lot? Oh, that's Mark. Mark entered 69 lot.
That was a big drop.
69 lots when he broke 140 to the downside.
I was.
Oh, Ellie, go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Ellie.
It froze.
You froze on us.
In the past, I was a swing gold trader about gold.
Yeah, gold.
Swing gold, man.
Man, oh man.
Oh man, swing gold. Woo.
I saw a profit, but didn't hit my target. Then it hit the stop loss every time.
Oh man, yeah, that's horrible. You know, that's what I didn't like about swing trade. Just like, and I'm not saying swing trade is bad. I mean, swing trade is good. It's just like, don't get me wrong. But for me, it was just like I felt bad because I saw my trade going into profit, and after that, hitting my stop loss. And I was like, oh man. So that's why now I like to secure profit. You know?
Genre faire des 40 pips avec des stop loss de 120.
Ouais, c'est ça, tu sais.
Aïe.
Non, ça n'a pas de bon sens. Je faisais des cauchemars, man. Hey, t'as-tu vu notre ami de Laval? Il a fait un retrait de 4 millions. L'as-tu vu passer? Non? Il a fait un retrait de 4 millions. Mais là, je me disais après ça, ouais, mais Ted, lui, il fait ça à chaque mois, tu sais.
Quel ami de Laval?
Ça me dit un peu. Ouais, mais je veux pas mentionner le nom, là. Ça va être posté sur YouTube.
Oh,
Ouais, c'est ça. Mais tu sais, c'est parce que c'était drôle parce que j'avais une discussion avec quelqu'un à un moment donné, puis il me disait, ah, tu sais, man, il fait, tu sais, comme il rock plus que tout le monde. Puis tu sais, je parlais d'un côté, il disait, ah non, c'est rien à côté, nanana. J'étais comme, OK, dude, le gars, il fait des retraits par mois du même montant qu'il a fait pour l'année, là, tu sais.
Ouais.
Mais il n'a pas retiré genre 8 millions.
Ouais, je pense que c'est 4 ou 8, je pense.
Ouais, je pense que c'est 8,5 qu'il a retiré pour Noël.
Non,
ouais, yo, je suis pas au courant de ça.
Tu sais, Ted, il fait ça, mais Ted, il retire ça par mois. C'est comme...
Ben, au mois de novembre, il y a genre 8 millions.
Ted doit faire 4
ouais, mois de novembre, il était plus relax, là.
Ouais.
Peut-être va faire 4 millions, il va retirer 700 000 parce qu'il est comme I don't need the 4 million.
C'est quoi ça?
Ouais,
C'est fucking vrai, bro.
C'est really fast.
Il a retiré 8,5 millions
Ah ouais,
et
ok, c'est ça.
83 sous.
83 sous, très exactement.
Ouais.
Paye la moitié en impôts.
Ouais.
C'est ça. Ah man, ici on se fait ramasser.
Man.
Ouais, fait qu'en vrai, il a retiré 4 millions, hein, étant donné qu'il paye.
Did you enter? No.
No entry, mate.
No entry so far. 4
Ah.
minutes left, man. Come on, GJ. You gotta close bullish.
But we can see the momentum is starting to fade down, bearish side.
Yeah.
We didn't broke the last week. We make a higher low, so should be.
We need the next one. We need this one to close bullish. That would be amazing.
Yeah. 140 golden zone, bullish, support is made, high is made, everything is there. Oh, Phil, you rep le Patagonia, man. Good shit. Yeah, I missed the wheelchair, Andrew. Wheelchair is right there.
Oh, we're coming bullish.
Yeah, it's looking like a wheelchair now.
Oh, you're pretty good.
Yeah.
J'ai oublié que tu gagnais ta vie à faire des dessins.
Ouais, c'est ça, je fais des dessins.
J'ai juste élevé. 3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Imagine cette chandelle-là, elle fait juste jamais closer.
Une chandelle infinie.
Ouais, c'est ça.
C'est deep ce que tu viens de dire. Là.
Ouais,
C'est ça. C'est qu'on pourrait faire du pouce là-dessus. Là. On pourrait faire du pouce là-dessus.
Jesus.
Boum, boum, boum.
Je pensais pas que Marc était philosophe comme ça, honnêtement. Ça
Ouais,
m'impressionne.
non, et...
C'est la
Ouais.
moustache, je pense, qui donne ce pouvoir-là.
Ah,
mais-
journée tout seul, là.
En fait, c'est parce qu'il a commencé à magasiner à SQDC, je te dis. Fait que
Ah.
Ok.
Ah, on en a une à Mont-Laurier, fait que yo, ça
ça y va, hein?
yeah. L'achat local, c'est le gros bon sens.
C'est bon. Aïe. Non, mais c'est Raja qui a eu le meilleur package, mon gars, j'en reviens pas, man. Quand il a ouvert son oh, bullish, yes, baby.
Ok.
Il est fou. Tellement eu de stock.
Ben ouais, man, le gars, il va être
Clairement un
gelé tout le temps
sponsor,
des
en
fêtes.
plus.
Ben oui, c'est sûr, là. C'est sûr, là, il. Ben ouais. Come on, baby.
Si ça close de même, c'est intéressant.
Ouais. So if it closed like this, oh, not like this.
Yeah.
But if it closes just a little bigger, that would be perfect. If not, probably gonna take just a small entry and wait to break the previous high to get more entries.
$24 seconds left.
Yeah, so stop's gonna be under this candle, and oh man, come on.
Probably not.
God damn. Oh man. Oh, that's horrible.
Cute.
That's horrible.
That's a write-off candle for me.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab a small, very small entry.
You guys.
Yeah, just a small one. And yeah, that's it.
T'as le gap up dans mon MT4, est-ce que?
Ouais, non, pas moi. So yeah,
On va
just a
peut-être
small.
descendre un petit peu plus.
But yeah, this is risky, guys. So don't, So this is really risky because this is a write-off candle. The only reason why I took a small entry, I'm putting a lot of trust into that 830 candle. But the best thing would having this next candle to close bullish and which is going to be 9 o'clock, and writing the 9:30, which is the NYC Open. So at this point, that would be the plan. So.
Mais là, on achète-tu? C'est quoi qu'on fait, là?
I'm still waiting for a buy.
Il a pas catch la joke.
Salopard.
The thing is, if this candle did first a lower wick, then it went up, I would prefer it.
Yeah, if this candle,
right
definitely. That's the idea we had for the previous candle. So it still apply with the timing we have, you know. So that's one of the occasion I'm going to use impulse entry when there's volume. So of course, if this candle comes down, but don't break the low, that's really important. So if we don't break the low and we start pushing back up and we break this high, yes, I'm going to entering more position. Or the other option is waiting for this candle to close bullish and write the next one.
Yep.
So
all right, guys.
Two different plans. All right, take care, buddy.
So take care.
Take care, my friend. Take care.
See you Tuesday.
Yes, sir.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
So, I mean, and those two candles respected that 140 right on the dot. Right on the dot. So on H1, yeah. That would be perfect, actually. If this candle closed bullish, this 30-minute, that means this H1 is going to form support. Yeah, that would be amazing. Yes, that is the perfect plan. Yes. Oh, yes. Yep, I'm excited now. Got my plan. Got the plan.
Comme de fait, Marc est parti, puis ça va
Ben oui, c'est sûr. De toute façon, on va break le high. Boom. So now if it start breaking the high, I'm probably going to add 1 or 2 position. And if we close bullish, I'm going to add probably a 4th position. So I'll see how it goes. So now we went back down, kind of retest this.
Yeah, I joined you.
Previous high. So it's looking good. It's looking good right now. We're rejecting that fib zone, the golden zone. We're rejecting 140. Price is mostly bullish. We had a deep down, so now I think time is there to come back up.
Matter that much for GJ, but US claims is better than expected, so technically safe haven should go down. So that's good for GJ if the yen is weak, right?
Yeah, true.
So
Sasha, you're not planning to FOMO in? Oh no, there's no FOMO. I'm already in. So there's no FOMO there. No, but seriously, there's no FOMO at all. That's my plan, you know. So I'm gonna execute my plan. I told you guys my plan, so there's no FOMO. Boom, boom, boom.
If we can go above 0.6, that would be a good sign.
Yep. Let's do this here. Oops, someone entered.
I'm moving my stops.
Oh, okay, yeah, me too. That's actually, I just did that. Actually, I'm gonna put it right here. Yeah, right here. That's perfect.
God, them at 95.
Let's go, let's go.
Yeah, here we go. Breaking.
Yes. Oh.
What's your
didn't trigger
target,
on-
Sasha?
Hold on. You didn't trigger on my live account? Oh, because I'm doing double trade like a retard. Oh, there we go. No, I'm late on the entry, but it is what it is. Okay, so now target is going to be my first partials is going to be on this one. That's right here on my live account. Yes, set. Okay, so here. So I want to measure this if I enter there. So first partials, I'm gonna move it to where is it? 140, 199. So I'm aiming the 200.
I'm gonna take something at 16, just in case.
And after that, I'm gonna put the second
Come on.
one. The second partials at the top of the wick at 144.44.
This should
Time
go.
to fly.
Oh, I don't. Oh, I don't. Sasha, you entered at 140, like 0.20?
430, 0.35.
Yeah, that's a very good entry.
And 140, 0.73.
Okay.
Nice.
I mean, I entered at the break at 140, 0.6, 0.60.
Yeah, that's good. That's really good.
Come on, 10.
5 pips. Come on, halfway there.
Yeah, I got one at 6. I got one at 2. The other one at 2. Oh, I got 2 entry at the same place. Wow.
Got 8 right now. 8 pips.
Oh, that's good. You got a better entry than me. I'm 7 pips right now.
No, your first entry was much better.
Oh yeah. Oh, maybe my
Yeah.
spread then on vintage.
What happened?
I don't
I've
know.
got entries 140, 02, 029.
Huh.
That's that's 0.29. That's insane. Yeah, that's a good
I was waiting for the
got
wick
10 pips
down.
there.
When it
Oh,
wicked
okay,
down
okay.
and started moving up, I just started to enter like crazy.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, okay. There you go. You should have 10
10
pips.
There
pips,
we go.
yeah, 10 pips now.
I'm at
Attaboy.
8.5 on my first
I'm at
one.
7.
Yeah.
Come on.
Gonna close at 16.
Yeah. Oh, I'll be right back. Someone knocking at my door.
Come on, GJ. GJ should break that.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go to 20 at least.
Yeah, that's why I'm aiming that.
Yeah, I'm holding some for 20, but I want to take something just in case.
It's because my 2 other entries was later, so I want to make sure I grab 10 pips on those 2 other one. So, but my stop wasn't big though. I think. Hold on. I didn't even check, to be honest.
Being Thursday, this
10
could break.
Pips. Yeah.
Moving stops to break even.
I need to hop in a meeting, but I'm still in this, boys. I'm with you guys.
The what? GJ. GJ. Go on, GJ. Come on, GJ.
Come on, push.
Come on. Man, I enter second position of my live account by mistake.
What price?
140,098.
Well, just know that we're gonna have the 15-minute close in 3 minutes, so we could get the tiny move down.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. 15's looking good. 30's looking good. H1 flip bullish. Oh man, that's a strong support here. Yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah, you
So
should feel
that 9 a.m. candle is gonna fly, man.
Should go to 15 easily.
Thanks for the session, Sasha and team. See you all next week. Hey, take care, FT. Thank you for tuning in. GG. Okay. Come on, GG. Yeah, now we should retrace down a little bit, I guess, because we're going to get this little pullback from the 15 minutes. But we should continue up. GG. 1 minute left into, all right, so that 15-minute closed very nice engulfing, looking good. So we might see a little pull down to create that bottom wick on that 15 and start moving back up.
If this 15 goes to 0.5, I'm gonna add.
Ooh. Cowboy. Yeah, it makes sense.
0.6, 0.5, yeah.
what? That's perfect. If this candle, to be honest, doesn't hit RTP right away, I mean, it's okay because the next one's going to destroy it because that's going to be confirming support on 30-minute in H1. So,
have you moved your stops?
I'm right like under the doji, kind of.
I moved it to right below the new 30-minute.
The active one, yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, the
I'm
active.
about to do it. Mark goes away. Maybe it's better to move the TP to 141. Yes, true that. Mark gave us the signal when he left. He's like, all right, guys, have fun.
We should pay him some holidays or something.
Yeah, true. Send him a gift or something.
Thanks for your efforts.
Yeah.
Now it should push.
Yeah, so basically the entry I was supposed to take on my funding talent to have 4 position, I took it on my live account.
It's same size.
So it's just a different size. You know?
Okay.
Yeah, I got on my live account I use 0.5. Usually I use between 1 and 3 position. 0.5. So yeah.
Okay, I added. Time to pray.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna add my funding talent. Man, if this one closed like this, it's gonna be beautiful.
Okay.
Actually, this from there to there. It's 10 pips. Where's my worst one? My worst one is 140, 140 is right here. So 11 pips is right here. 140, 190. 140, 190. All right. Should be good. All right, all my partials are set. And let's rock and roll. 10 minutes left into that candle. Okay. I'll be right back. Man, I really thought that I was coming back and everything was hit. God damn. Phil, tu m'entends-tu? Tu m'entends-tu, Phil?
Yes, on t'entend.
Ok, bon. So maybe I need to bring my dogs to scare GJ a little bit to go up, right?
Je pense qu'on n'a pas le choix.
Let's bring the Pugster. Come on, look at GJ. Attack GJ. Come on, Pugster. Come on. GJ, you gotta move. You gotta move. Ooh, let the dogs out. Ooh. Oh, it's coming back up. Good job. Good job. Come on, Zen, scare the shit out of GJ. She looks so lazy right now. She's like, man, I was just sleeping. Can you leave me alone? Hey? She's my oldies. Hey? Fart face. Yeah, he's such a fart face.
How old are your doggies?
My oldest is 11. Yeah, 11. After that, I got 9, 7, and 5.
Oh.
It's looking good, man. And you see now, if it closes like this, it's gonna come back to, you know, if you wait for it to close. Oh, Ellie, you got yours. Nice.
Yes. Move,
Nice
GJ.
Here we
Too
go.
bad.
The dog's out. Dog's out. Here we go. Cute, man. So yeah, so I was about to say, you know, when we wait for Kindle to close, sometimes we get less stress and we get exactly or almost the same entry as we've been taking impulse. You know, if you look at it right now, I mean, well, right now it's not. Whoa, GG, calm down. So I mean, we got 5 minutes left into that candle. So whoa. What is going on?
Fuck, je regardais pas, si je voulais closer. Tabarnak.
What the hell? Really? Hold on, wait a minute. I was just about to say, when you wait for candle to close, it's better because you get less stress and you get almost the exact same entry. And it looks like if it's closed bullish, I mean, we can get a better entry if we would have waited for the 30-minute close, basically. So if H1 close like this, it's going to be beautiful. Confirming support on H1. Man, I feel cowboy. I feel like entering a 5th position right now. I'm going to wait for the close. So let's wait for the close and I might enter 5th position. Man, it was a drop pretty quick. I was like, whoa.
Yeah, we tested 140.
Yeah.
I went up again.
Yeah, 140 is strong, man.
Hope so.
Yeah. Supposed to be strong.
Yeah.
Well, you know, it's like everyone, there's some days they're less strong, you know, there's weaker. But yeah, no, it should be fine. I mean, we just need this H1 to close bullish. I mean,
Yeah, we got 3 minutes left. Let's see.
yeah. Boom, boom, boom. GG. It's weird because this doji on TradingView is bullish, and my doji on my MT4 is bearish. Oh well. So I mean, so far this candle broke previous high, respected previous low. So technically, I mean, 30-minute looks good. H1 respected previous low, closing bullish above 140. I mean, should be good. We need to retest this high, you know. Dun, 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 dun. Ba, ba, ba. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. I mean, 2 minutes 15. Are you really crying? She's crying. She's like, come on, DJ. Sasha, personally, how much risk did you take per trade? 1 to 2? I go 0.5 to 3. So it all depends on the setups. But recently, I'm being a little bit more aggressive on my funding talent. Because the previous month, I wasn't as aggressive, and I was on the aggressive model, and I was like, man, I'm on the aggressive model, so I gotta be a little bit more aggressive. I was really too tight with my money. So yeah. But I switched to the normal one, and I don't know why, but by mistake, I'm still on the regular model when I look at my my back office. So I'm like, okay, oh well, it is what it is. I don't give a shit. But I'm probably gonna try also the I'm probably gonna try the challenge in January. I want to try every program they have so I can be able to talk about it and people can ask questions. You know, just makes sense for me. And the money I got into the live account, they're gonna save it for me. I already asked. And if let's say I pass the challenge, and after that they can add those profits to my challenge. So it's not lost. So we got 30 seconds left. That looks like a beautiful close. Really beautiful. So now we can expect this new 1 hour to retrace down a little bit. So that's normal. But yeah. Looking good, man. That's a pretty
Yeah,
good,
we're back into the safe zone.
Yeah, that's a very decent size candle for H1. Whew, that's pretty good. I'm excited now.
But
yeah,
I want a down wick.
Yeah, if we put it down, yeah, I want a down wick too. And if we get a down wick to my first entry, I'm probably gonna take another one. Maybe not my first entry, but my last entry. Probably gonna add another one. Yeah, it's looking good. I want a down wick though. Give me my bottom wick. Not too big, but decent bottom wick. Because big down wick, man, whew, don't like those. Yeah, it's beautiful now. Beautiful, beautiful. H1 is nice. 4 hour. 4 hour just confirmed support on. Oh my God, 4 hour just created support also.
I'm gonna. I think this can break everything up, huh?
Yeah, but the thing is, this is the beginning of the H4, right? So we might see a pull back down before going back up. So we might need to be patient here.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, I didn't thought about that, but it's 9 o'clock, so this is the beginning of a brand new H4. So oh, we got a tiny wick. Tiny
Yeah,
bottom
yeah.
wick.
We're safe.
We're safe. We'd like to see like a little bigger, and after that, pushing back up and break previous high. That would be amazing. What's okay? Sorry, Sasha percent. How much? Okay, you mean FTMO challenge? Oh no, sorry. Funding Talent is actually launching their challenge program also. It's coming soon, and it's instead of being 10K profit for a 100K account, it's 8K profit. You got 30 days to do it, and on the verification, you got 4K to do for 60 days, which is pretty decent. And the split commission is bigger also. I think it's, I don't want to say anything stupid, but I think it's 80-20 or 75-25. It's a little bigger than FTMO. So they kind of put everything in place for traders to succeed. You know, they don't want people to fail because, I mean, for them, it doesn't make sense. So, oh, you know what? I'm getting another, thank you. So just took a 5th entry. So what's the first TP, bro? So my first partials is set at 140, 190. So that's my first partial. That's gonna give 13.9 pips to my worst entry. No, that's actually gonna give 13.9 pips to my first entry, but will secure 10 pips to my worst entry. So and after that, I'm aiming 140, 500. So I put it at 140, 444, which is at the top of the, no, it's not at the top, sorry. And my third partials is at the top of the wick right here. So that's another partials there at 142. Oh, no, sorry, that's the one at 140, 444, sorry. My second partial is at 140.289. Kind of right somewhere around here. Yeah, right here, top of this one. So I'm gonna put it at 85 to play safe. Boom. There we go. All right, so now we got our bottom wick. Now we should push back up now. Yeah. Looking good, looking good. Pretty good.
Yeah, add it again.
Ooh.
At 0.7.
Joining the party. Man, don't be mad at me if this doesn't work though.
It's your fault, man. We break the top wick.
Break this eye.
Good,
Break this
yeah.
eye, and we're going to party. Let's go. GG, 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 GG.
Come on.
Yeah, seriously. Stop playing with us.
Let's go to 20.
Here we go. Here we go. Incoming. Broke it. Yeah, baby, we broke that high. Incoming. Incoming, baby, incoming. All right, so we waited like almost 3 hours for this trade. So now it's in profit, working good, trading with the pack here, you know. So both position, both account are in profit right now. So we'll see if we hit that partial TP. Come on, GG. Sasha, what is bigger, the wick or yours? Seriously, man. If this fails, Sasha, I want to refound. Yeah, it should work. It should work. Hopefully. Hey, Sasha. Sorry, my baby woke up. Woke back up, so I had to put her back to sleep. Did you read my message from earlier? I messaged you from Instagram asking for some tips on my $77 account. Oh yes, yeah, we can go over that. Yeah, we can go over that just after this trade because right now I need to manage this trade. But yes, but basically it's really simple. It's just like if you. Oh, anyways, we'll go. I explain to you. I will explain it to you. Just need to manage this trade. And H1, did H1 broke previous high? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But the thing now is we entering this zone, right? So.
Yeah, but it should wick at least till 15.
Yeah.
15, 16 around the area.
And technically, we should tap into the next QP. To be honest, we should tap it. I don't know if it's gonna close or reject, but we should tap it. Come on. And don't forget, don't be scared. This is only the first 9 minutes into that 1 hour candle. So. And again, guys, if you feel insecure, just close partials, you know, just close partials, take out some stress, and that's it. Yeah, need to create that bottom wick on H4. It's good when you understand how candle prints. I mean, you take out some stress. You just like, when you understand that it needs to print, you know, it needs to go down before going back up. So that's why now I use dynamic risk, because I know I enter first on the entry candle and I wait for a little retracement so I get better entry, you know. thing that I don't like though, it tap right here and start rejecting.
Yeah.
Damn. That's the thing I don't like right now.
Yeah.
Boom, boom, boom. See this first 15 minutes here. That's a doji. Week retest. This one broke.
Hey, bye, moi je vais y aller.
Ciao, buddy. Take care.
Merci, toi aussi.
Boom, boom, boom. Well, that's a pretty decent size wick now. You know, I think now we can start coming back up. I can see a wick until like, to be honest, like around like 0.30, and after that's starting to close. But 9:30 incoming, which is the NYC Open. So technically, I mean, NYC Open has a lot of volume, so we should be able to break that zone and come tap into 250. Raven, calm down.
Yeah, it would be nice if we can get a 30-minute close above 16, above this area, and then the next one wicks down and boom.
So 15 minutes. 15 minutes is closing in 20 seconds. I mean, creating higher highs, higher lows.
Hello, Sasha.
Hello, hello.
Can I ask you a question? If this 15-minute candle is going to close bearish, the trade is not valid anymore, am I right?
It all depends on how you took your entry, you know? So there's a lot of people who's going to start closing position, and that's okay. I did that at first, and sometimes I still do it. But to be honest, for me, it wasn't working good because I take trade based on 30 minutes. So I need to see this 30 minute how it closed, you know, because most of the time what happens, I was taking trade on 30 minute, and when 15 minute was closing bearish, I was closing half or some partials or sometimes full, and suddenly the second half of the 30 minutes, the next 15 minutes pulled back into my direction, you know. So that's why I started to now wait to see this 30-minute candle. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, now I'm closing. I'm closing F for sure. Wait a minute.
Is Magic Key allows you to close partial stop loss? Like you don't have to like manually click. It's just like you already stated at which zone.
Yes, yes, Magic Key will allow you to close 50%, 25%, whatever the percentage you want with one click.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Even if you have like 10 position, it will close 50% on 10 position.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah. So
So you can't choose individual positions. Let's say you have 3 opening, and then you can't choose like one position close 50% and then keeping the rest one.
No, unfortunately, no.
Okay.
We'll close everything half.
I see. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. What is going on, GJ? Is there any news?
Yeah, just closed like 80%. I'm out of everything.
What is happening? To be honest, that's crazy.
It's pushing really hard.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. What's going on? Broke previous low. All right, I'm out. Wow. What was that? Is there any news that came out? That's 3 hours ago. God damn it. Oh no, okay. That wasn't a refresh, okay. The only thing I saw was Brexit. I was like,
yeah.
Damn Brexit. Big push happening now in Brexit.
J'ai Small Squawk qui viennent d'annoncer encore un commentaire sur le Brexit.
So we cannot guarantee there will be a deal in the end.
God damn.
Right now.
Should reach. The thing with this, it's gonna retrace back up though. Piss me off, man.
Maybe.
Piss me off. God damn Brexit. Take your technical analysis and throw it out the window.
Yeah.
Man, it was looking perfect.
Yeah.
It was looking just so perfect right now.
Yep.
Ooh.
Yeah. Man, oh man. That sucks. Sasha, I want my refund. I want a puppy. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. We cannot do nothing with Brexit. You know, it's just like, I mean, there's nothing we can control about it. I mean, everything looked way too, I mean, not too good, but it looked perfect to continue up. And I still think that this freaking Brexit shit is going to hit 140 and they're going to realize that there's nothing to back up that news. So it's going to start pulling back up. So, but we'll see what happens. Man, I can't believe, man, waited 3 hours for this.
For this shit.
Ouch.
Oh well, let's put a post. Sad post. Me crying or something. God damn. Brexit took.
God damn, hein? Shit. Ça a bougé.
Ah, tu viens juste de revenir, ça?
Ben, j'étais sorti, là. Je suis sorti à break-even, mais j'étais en meeting. Puis là, ben, mon meeting vient de finir, so I'm gonna... Ouais. D'après moi, on va retourner à 139,750 si on close below.
Ouais.
T'es sorti, t'as pris un pip, ça, Sache?
Non. Boom. That sucks.
faut que ça finisse un jour, ce Brexit-là.
Yeah. Ah, man, I can't wait for Brexit to be done.
À 8h55, moi, c'était écrit qu'il y avait encore des chances que ça soit close dans les next 24 hours. Yeah.
There's some hedge fund company probably that's working with people that's are paid to write tweets, you know, just like
just comments. Yeah.
Just comment on it.
Yeah.
You know? And this is the thing is there's no news. They're just like tweets, you know, just like come on, guys.
And only the pounds reacted, not the euro.
God damn it. I gotta go, guys.
Take care, buddy.
Merci, Sacha. Ciao. Bye, les gars.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Take care,
all right,
bye-bye.
guys.
Bye-bye.
So unfortunately, oh well, then I mean, I'm not. You know what? I'm not mad because I'm really happy because we were very patient, disciplined. We waited for a move. I mean, everything was playing out, and so
news is not in our control.
Yeah, it's out of our control. So what you can do. So I still think we learned a lot this morning, and we had a great session. And yeah, it is what it is. You know. So what you want to do. So all right. So see you guys on the live stream tomorrow with Raja and. Trade safe. Don't overtrade, guys. Don't revenge trade. Don't revenge trade.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, take care, guys.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.